Hello there. This is Zippo SA, your source for all things about Zippo. Nice to meet you. This is the most popular insert for those who use Zippo Lighter. It's the oil insert. You can put oil underneath and ignite it. This is a Zippo Lighter. It has an oil insert in it that most people use. Basically, a Zippo lighter consists of two parts, the outer case and the inner insert. Simple. Zippo has even patented the distinctive clicking sound. This is the oil insert we're going to look at today. If you see here, the color has changed a lot because it's old. But there are two types of inserts. First, there are silver inserts and gold inserts, so there are two colors. I wrote 1935 here on purpose. I'll explain the model later. On the left is the oil insert inside the classic, regular. And this is the insert that comes in the 1935 replica. The difference between the two is the width is a little bit longer on the 1935 replica. So the 1935 replica insert will not fit in the classic case. There are three types of oil inserts: classic, regular, and 1935 replica. And then there's the Zippo Slim. The classic regular oil insert will also fit in the 1941 replica. Thank you again for watching the video.